All right, guys, back on the 79 Lincoln Continental. So as you can see, a lot of it is built. We're getting there, guys. We really are. Man, very convoluted right here. I also put a little see-through glass fuel filter so I can see if it clogs up or anything, which made it just a nightmare to do it. The hard line runs right here and ends up right here, so there's not a lot of room to do anything right there. It had a fuel filter right there, so I just put the little see-through glass one also, so that way every time we change one, it can be done that way. They sell the kit at O'Reilly's like that anyways. So as you can see, it's all put back together. Only thing going on right now is I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these power steering hoses. Hey man, I found these power steering hoses readily available. Well, not readily available, it wasn't ready that day, it was next day, but O'Reilly's had them. This is one of the power steering hoses. This is the extremely long one that goes from the pump. This is the one at the beginning of this repair that I was complaining about. It goes from the pump, goes underneath, goes in between the control arms, the two control arms that are hanging out right there. It goes in between the control arm and ends up at the gearbox down there. The gearbox and hydro booster, yes, hydro booster is blocked off right now because it's been pretty windy, so I've been trying to avoid it. I had the carburetor covered, but just for this video, I took the carburetor cover off so you guys can just see the progress that's going on. Here's the smaller one that goes from the pump to the hydro booster. This one, the bigger one, obviously goes from the pump to the gearbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this bad boy so I can move forward. As you can see, it's moving. We're getting there, guys. Hopefully I'll have it running tomorrow. Hopefully this thing will be done and ready tomorrow. The customer was on my butt. He got off my butt once he saw some progress going, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna start getting on my butt again, so I want to get it done. Also, I like I said, guys, I got two 6.0s I got to get on, and they are on my butt. I've had to make all sorts of excuses just to buy a little more time, but I need to get this out of the way and I need to just jam on those. I'm gonna try to show you guys those the best I can. All right, guys, let me get back to it. As you can see, it's already night out here. It's already nighttime, but let me go ahead and get back to it, and hopefully we get it done. All right, guys, see you in a bit.